question number 7. Given quadrilateral thin with coordinates T 33, H 59, I 65, and N 4-1, find the coordinates for the midpoint of each diagonal. B. Do the diagonals bisect each other and explain. And C. What is the best name for this quadrilateral? Okay, I'm going to go with a 4-minute time limit. Again, you're probably going to want to graph this, find the midpoints of those diagonals, then decide if they bisect each other, and explain how you know if they do or do not. And then what is my best name for this quadrilateral? Go ahead and pause your video now for the next 4 minutes. Here in question number 7, part A, I first found the midpoint of TI and the midpoint of HN. And remember that midpoint formula is found by taking x1 plus x2 dividing by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. That'll give me my midpoint. I found that the midpoint for both TI and HN is 4.5, 4. Since the midpoints are the same point for both diagonals, that means that they intersect there. And since they intersect at the midpoint of both lines, we know that midpoint means that it bisects it into two congruent halves. Since in question 6, we proved that if diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, which these clearly do, we can prove that this quadrilateral is indeed a parallelogram. On to the next set of questions.